Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be going to Cars and Coffee. Should be a nice morning. Literally just got off work. I'm going to meet the wife and kiddo over there. Just look at some expensive cars, you know, cars that we'll never be able to afford, and live out someone's dream vicariously. So we're about 14 minutes away. It starts at 8, so we're going to get there pretty much right on time. But should be a good time. Thanks, guys. Check it out.
He's all out. That Tegra's overheating like a mother. We got like 6 people over there helping out.
You see cheese? Where are you, Yuri? Is there a lot of cars?
It's
Yeah, it is.
a white on white. And then the dream.
And then the dream.
And the dream.
Okay.
Some car brain.
What we
What is it?
The Corvette.
Oh, the Corvette. Yeah, she was talking about the Miata. The silver one is. Silver one. The one behind it's the Miata. Really? That's really the Corvette. That's cool. Fred Flintstone. The Flintstone.
Alright guys, hey, thanks for watching. It was a very cool video, a lot of fun editing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, do all the things. We got really exciting things in the future coming real soon. Again, working on the editing skills, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Peace.